As a sales representative of Gerber Products Company, you are now part of a tradition that has been nurtured for over 4 generations. Of all the companies that have contributed to the economic foundation of this magnificent country of ours, very few can celebrate such pride, power, and promise as the Sherwin-Williams Company. Be sure to consult your Allison transmission brochures and manuals to be certain of giving your transmission the proper preventive maintenance. The United States Gymnastics Federation is designated by the U.S. Olympic Committee and the International Gymnastics Federation as the national governing body for the sport of gymnastics in the United States.
It's another beautiful morning on the farm. And in the years I've been living, lots of things have been changed. Lots of things have come and gone, and some things even come back. But one thing that never changes is the confidence farmers have in Stewart's hybrid seed corn.